Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to be making an email validator program in Python. It's basically going to validate to check if the email is a valid email or not. And first, we're going to need an import. We're going to need to import RE. So RE is basically just stands for regular expressions. Regular expressions are basically this concept in computer science, which means basically like it follows a certain pattern or order, and that will soon make sense with this example. So to get started, we need to define the function, def, and then email validator. Within the function, we're going to have two variables. So in the email variable, it's going to be asking the user for an input. It's going to say enter an email address. In the pattern variable, this is going to be used later in the if-else statement. So starting off, we're going to have this, and I forgot what this is called, but I think superscript or something like that, but that is going to be the start of the string. And then from here to here, this is going to be matching the local part of the email, which means it's going to be allowing the letters, lowercase and capital, digits, and whatever kind of symbol you have. And then it's going to be followed by an at, and then it's going to be followed by the same thing, kind of, and then it's going to be followed by backslash dot, which means it's going to ensure that there is a dot before the last extension. And then after that, the extension is going to be either A to Z, capital or small, and then it's going to make sure that it's at least 2, because sometimes there is .com, which is 3, sometimes it's .gov, which is also 3, and then sometimes it's like 2 letters, which is like .sa, for example. And this is basically just going to make sure that it is at least 2 characters. And then this is for the end of the string. This is to tell the program that this is the end. Moving on, we're going to have the if statement, the if else statement. So if re, regular expression, dot match, pattern with email. So if the pattern matches with the email, we are going to be printing the email and then saying this is, that it is a valid email. And else, of course, we're going to be printing the email and saying that it's an invalid email. Please try again. And then, of course, pay attention to the indentation. We're going to be running the function. So let's try and see if this is correct, or if it works, sorry. So if I print this invalid, okay. We'll try again with an at this time, and then some letters, invalid. Okay, now let's try a real email. So this, and then this, at that, and then .com. It's a valid email. Let's try again. Something, something, at, actually let's try it with some symbols. At something .com. It's a valid email. So as you can see, the program works. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Of course, the code will be in the comments down below. As always, you're free to use it and try some different things out. You can also mess with this to add some more symbols or delete some symbols. But yeah,